test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown.
Jetzt in Position die Startnummer 93, Marco Heinz.
Silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Sehr gut, gute Reaktion von den 914.
Chance to be ruthless. See that they compare, I think everyone's against me. Maybe something in the air, am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. Never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown, they wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing,